Do not attempt this recipe with mango juice, pineapple juice, or papaya. Hello there. Are you having a bad day too? Well, maybe you'd like to try some gooey, fruity jelly pops. You can make them to suit almost any flavor profile and whatever vitamins you need. When you're ready, we'll get started. You'll need 1 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder, or 1 packet, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of fruits. The sugar is optional, but highly recommended. In fact, just to show the variety of pops you can put out with this recipe, I'll be showing you some of my favorites. Watermelon juice and strawberries, blueberries and lemonade, and grapes with grape juice. First, fill a bowl with ice and fit the measuring cup in it. Pour about 3/4 of the juice into a small saucepan. Put the measuring cup back into the ice bowl and mix it with the gelatin. Set the heat to high and pour in the sugar. Stir vigorously until you can't see or feel any more sugar. Keep an eye on the fruit juice until it reaches a rolling boil. This will take about 5 minutes. Once it gets that hot, remove the pan from the heat and pour the hot juice back into the cup. Stir for around 5 minutes so the liquids are all mixed in and the juice has cooled significantly. You might need to replace some of the ice cubes. Fill a few small bowls with your freshly washed fruits. Then, pour in the juice. Cover the bowls with some cling film. Open your fridge and cover the shelf with a paper towel or two. Then, carefully move the bowls to the shelves. Leave them to chill for at least 4 hours. And when you wake up in the morning, you can look forward to the fruity flavors and tender sensations of your wonderful fruity pops. It's in these different tastes, different experiences, and just differences in general that give us life and meaning. This variety in life is too precious to give up on. Don't ever forget that.